Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax. Today I'm showing you a 2024 Yamaha 222SE. E stands for electric series, so you got power steering and electronic throttle. This one is the white boat with the black lower accent stripe. This year we switched up, did the painted trailers with aluminum wheels. Just looks a lot better and saves a little money. Climb on board of this one. Let me show you the outside a little bit. Did really good with the 2024 colors. It's got the mist gray hull on it, looks good. White interior, did some nice stitching on there. Climb aboard. Nice wet sound, stereo speakers, transfer remote in the back here, wet sound on both sides. Interior, nice wraparound seating, center walk-through, got the C-deck snap-in flooring, a wireless charger right up here. Absolute beautiful boat. It's got the 12-inch screen in it. Another phone charger here for the captain. Twin engine, of course. Tons of room up front on both sides here. Again, this is a 2024 Yamaha 222SE, available here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call. It's 864-236-9005. Have a great day.